Okay, hi guys. So ngayon pa-plug natin yung event natin sa Wednesday, October 11, 7 o'clock in the evening at the Sorsogon City Capital Park. Okay, number 1, Wally and Jose. Tumawag na po sa akin. I mean, nag-text na po sa akin si Wally na nandito sila, of course, with Jose. Okay, so that's Wally and Jose. Wally and Jose, together with the band Mayonnaise, the guys behind the hit song Jopay, and of course, Sunkissed Lola, the guys behind Pasilio. Okay, so abangan nyo po yan. October 11, Wednesday, 7 o'clock in the evening at the Capital Park. Wally and Jose, Sunkissed Lola, and Mayonnaise. Of course, sa Friday, sa 13th, riot ito. Ang gusto nyo makiriot, okay, don't forget to join us. Same venue, 7 o'clock in the evening. That's Chad Kinis, Donita Nos, and of course, Tekla. Si Tekla, the great Tekla. Okay, abangan nyo po yan. Hindi ko na muna ibibigay yung mga next events in the next nights. Saka na yan, dala-dalawang araw lang muna, ha? So, okay, imbitado po lahat. Pwede kayong dumayo dito sa Sorsogon City and the province of Sorsogon for the Kasagayan Festival 2023. See you!